guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today I'll be showing you fractions on a number line. So yeah, we're on a blank page for starting. So I'll break it up. So here is our one whole number line. Yes, so here is our one whole number line. Now if you're going to make a fraction in it, you go right to the middle, put a line, and say that is 1/2. Or the most basic fraction, 1/2. So yes, and then one whole would be all of the one whole would be the same as both denominators, and of both the numerator and denominator the same. So if I would say 2/2, it would be the same as 4/4, or just 1, or 1/1. All of those fractions are the same. So basically, what I'm trying to say is all of these fractions correlate to 1 on the number line. So if you're trying to figure out where it would be on the number line, it would all point to this 1. Now let's start going into some details. 1/2, and then instead of saying 1/2, we go back and say 1/3. So yeah, and then it'll be and then that will be half 1/2, and then also just to tell you, they will be on a number line of fractions, you do not count the lines themselves, you also count the spaces. So when we reach that half point, we're talking about the thing before it, which is 0. So then if you say 1/3, this is 1/3. And then if we go to the next one, 2/3, which is just 1/2. Wait, no, not 1/2, but then 2/3 is right over here. And just notice that the denominator are the same, which means that they're both 3s. So let me just show you in a simpler method of what's 1/3. So this is what you would think. Alright, so this is 1/3, and then this is 2/3, but it does not equal to a half, because if you do it like this, then you'll see that it's more than a half. So do not say that 2/3 is this. So then you take 2/3, and the next one, which I'm not going to write on the paper, is 3/3, which I said earlier, like 4/4 or 2/2, is 1 whole. Do not forget this, because it is crucial in learning. Alright, so then if you're going into the 4s, you go from 3 and you take a bit of a step back to where I put that dot. So that would be 1/4. So the thing before this is the 1/4. This is 1/4, and then this is Oh, never mind. Alright. You should keep your 1/2 in the number line because it is a crucial part. So in every, let's say, every even number has a half, right? Well, that half will be equal to 1/2. 1/2, which is a crucial part in fractions. That's why I said earlier in this video that this is crucial. So 1/4, I actually made that 1/4 a bit too back, but it's fine. And then 2/4, or 1/2, 1/2, and then 3/4. Over 4. And then after that, you would have 1/2, or 4/4. So I even wrote it down here. 4/4 is equal to 1/2. And that is the last time I'm going to say that. So remember this because it is crucial in building your number line. Alright, now let's go to the fifths. Now, like I discussed earlier, only even numbers have a half, so ignore the half in our fifths. Alright, so where I put that first 1/4 is where the fifth is supposed to be. Where the 1/3 is where the fourth is also. But then the 1/3 is actually supposed to be a bit in front. So yeah. Anyways, here's our fifth. 1/5. Yeah. Or 1/5. So 1/5. Let me get closer for you guys to see. So there is 1/5. And then here is 2/5. Right over here. 2/5. And then 3/5 is in front of 1/2 because there is no five is not an even number because it doesn't have a half. And because it doesn't have a half, it will not go to 1/2. So we're directly in front of 1/2. So this is 3/5. And also, if my handwriting is bad, I'm sorry if you can't see. So there's 1/5, 2/5, half, 3/5. And put an S at the end. I made a mistake. And then 4/5. And finally, here is a 5/5. Alright, so we're done with the fifths, and I'm sure you can explain to yourself the other things. Now with 6, just remember, there is 2 on one side, the half is the middle, and 2 on the other side. 2 plus 2, or no, I mean, wait, so, for the 6, there will be 3 on one side, with a half, and then another 3, right? 1, 6, 2, 6, 6, 1 half. Oh, okay, I made a mistake there. So there will be 3 and 2 on one side. Oops. Oh. I'm sorry I did that. That was on accident. So there will be 3 on one side, and then 2 on one side, and the middle 3, which is supposed to be this one, but I don't want to do that again, is the half. So that is 6th, 7th, you can explain there's no half, 8th, 9th, 10th. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, thank you for joining in here, And also for the 10th, you just need 4 on each side with 1 in the middle. Yeah. So anyways, thank you for watching today's video. I would appreciate it if you subscribed, because we are almost at 100 and we'll do a room tour. Anyways, thank you for watching it. Bye!